Hi everybody, this is Somewhat Girly here, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of what I would call a surprise box, but I guess the term is actually considered blind bag, which is really funny because, disclaimer, I am visually impaired, and because of this, I have to use Zoom a lot, and I have glasses that I need to use to be able to see items that I'm doing on video. Sometimes I get it wrong because I don't know what I'm looking at. Sometimes I have to zoom in really far with the camera, and I'll try to do that off camera so that way it doesn't make anybody a little seasick. But besides that, let's get on with what we're doing. This is a Real Littles backpack. Now, unfortunately, this is not a series 1. This is a series 2. The only reason why I know that is because they do show some of the bags on the back here, some of the items you can get, and a special item that is very rare to get. The first series had a ring watch that you could have gotten in one of the bags. Very rare. This one here is a surprise Tamagotchi. Otherwise, it has stationary items in them. Not on this channel, but I have opened up a Real Littles before, which is one of the purses, which comes with some purse items and a bag charm, just like the backpacks, but they're actually really, really nice. Real Littles is a brand that the only thing I had known before I actually knew that there were these two was they had made miniature brands in which you can get a little Shopkin inside, and I have a whole ton of those. I was actually looking for those when I found the backpacks, and I don't have any of the backpacks. So I'm going to open this off camera because it is a trial and a half. So I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, got her opened up. The stationery items range from writing paper, sometimes stickers, sometimes utensils. Oh my goodness, which one did I get? There's nothing else in the box, and it's... hopefully this is recyclable or something. I don't know what kind of bag this is. It is fluffy. That part's shiny. Is it a bat? It's a strawberry! Oh, now I'm super happy. Oh, it's a strawberry. I love to eat strawberries, but I also love like things that are strawberry themed. So cute. We got a zipper here. I've actually seen some people open these up on TikTok. Oh, there's actual straps. It looks like the size of... someone had mentioned it on TikTok that maybe like the All-American dolls. Now, when I got the purse, this was on the inside, but this here is on the outside this time. Oh, it actually has a little... something shaky in there. All right, let's get to open this up. I love this. Oh, okay. Whoa, it's packed. Okay. Okay, first items looks like a notepad, and is that an egg or a flower? I'm going to say it's a flower. Ooh, it's got a lot of pages to it. This is a cute little notepad. Okay, so a flower on both sides, and the paper is shaped like the outside packaging. It is blank. That is so cute. That is so cute! It might go this way. Who knows? Oh my god, that's cute. Okay. Too excited. Too excited. Okay, next item that I feel here is a little bent. Oh, it's a pouch. Oh, it's got strawberry. This is so cute. It's one of those pouches that has just like, it's not a zipper. It's, what do they call that? It's, I don't know. It's on some of the Ziploc bags. Yeah, like a Ziploc kind of thing. A slide. That's it. Thanks, hon. My boyfriend's in the background. Oh, it actually works. Like, there's nothing to stop it from coming off, so you have to like make sure you don't go too far. But that is so cute. That is too cute. Love it. Love that. What else? It feels... oh my god! It's a stapler. There is a stapler. There's a stapler. Does it staple? I don't want to staple any of the things I got. I need to see if this staples. Where is my post-it notes? Oh, way too excited. Way too excited. Oh, and so miniature stationery items. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, full-size stapler. Full-size stapler. Okay, okay. Where would I get more staples for this? Like, I couldn't use it. Like, just be able to play with it, just to have that is just cute enough. But where would you get little staples to refill this? Oh my God. That is so cute. That's so cute. Too stinking cute for words. Okay. Okay, we got a well, not really a fake water bottle, because the one that came in this purse here, which looks like a water bottle, opens. So does this open, or... Oh, it wiggles. It opens. That is so cute. Look at that. It opens. Like, you can't realistically, like, it's like what do they call that? Like, you know, for a doll to have, like, an accessory. I can't get the lid back on. I can't get the lid back on. We'll just pretend it's on. There we go. Actually, I think I got it. I got it. All right, let's see here. It's a pencil box? Is that a pencil box? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's what was rattling. What? What? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my God. Look. What did we call this in school? Is this a protractor? Protractor, the triangle ruler, and a regular ruler. I don't know. I can't see what actually... Maybe, hold on a second. Okay, so this one here, I can see little numbers on. You probably could see a little better than me. This one here doesn't seem to have any on it. It's just like to draw lines for the triangle. Ruler. Too shiny. Oh, it has markings. I don't know if they're in centimeters or inches. But that is stinking cute. That is so tiny. And they all fit back in this cute little pencil case. In the first series, you could get a pencil or coloring pencils, which is so cute. I think my phone moved. I am using my phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, I think. Okay, and I think there's one last thing in here. No bag charm. Okay, so no bag charms except for the keychain. But I don't remember when we had these in school, and I don't know if they're coming out again. Sorry for the zoom. But I remember some kids in school having fluffy pens. It is a pen. Oh, it's a strawberry. Oh, no, it's a strawberry. Okay, so does this come off? Oh, is it a pen or a pencil? Looks like a pen. Let's see here. Let's see. Can I get to the first page? Is this the first page? Okay, leave that one blank. Oh. It's really light. I love this. I love this. I am so happy this is the one I got. Oh my goodness. Oh. 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 I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so this is what came in the bag. Oh, let's go back. Okay, so we got the bag with a carabiner on it. Okay, nothing else in the bag. Inside out bag. It came with the cute little pouch that you could probably put coins in if you wanted to. The water bottle, stapler, notepad, and the pen. That is too stinking cute. Unbelievably cute. This is the most adorable thing. This is. I am so happy I got this. Everything keeps rolling out of frame. It's because I have that in the way. All right. Thank you so much for coming to watch this with me, and I can't wait for everyone to experience this with me. And I will see you in my next video. I still don't know what it's going to be, but there we go. Thank you for coming with me to unbox this very cute item. Have a good day. Bye-bye.